Can we get a supercharge? It's boost weather, so I know a lot of people are gonna be in the street. I'm gonna try to shoot some content. I got my other lens right here so I can zoom in. I think it's gonna be a good content. I'm gonna see if where I can go, if I can find some cars, but I'm just gonna vlog, you know, that's what I'm gonna do. And I promise you I'm gonna be consistent, so here it is. I'm gonna go outside, find some cool cars to shoot, and see if we can get some roll action, maybe. There's some cars here. Oh shit. Type R boys. This is what I want, bro. Right here. Not that one. I love JDM cars, but not that one. This one right here. This is the one. Exactly how I want it to be. Oh my god, with the stripes too. Bro, this is the one. This is the one. This is how I wanted my car. Look at that. Jeez. This is the one, bro. It's crazy. Performance pack. Look, he even got the stripes. Bro, this is insane. This is how I want it to be, bro. This shit is fire. This is the specs I want my 5.0 to be. Look, that shit insane. He even got those. Nice. That was the best car. Damn, they're rolling out. Beamer boys. Sheesh. Damn. Oh, okay. This is the best car in the car meet all the time. The best car. The real crowd killer, bro. See, now they didn't take off because this guy, bro. Best freaking cars. Oh shit, show me some. Show me some, player. There you go, show me some. There you go. Hey, show me some for the cam, man. Oh my god. Oh, show me some. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, Turbo Boys. Come on, boy. Yeah. V8 action. We We got a Fox body here. Sheesh. Fox body gang. Oh, look at this one though. That shit crazy. Look at this guy. He's ready, bro. This guy ready. He ready. He ready for drifting, bro. This Mustang ready for drift. Sheesh. My boys. Scatpacks gang. You already know. Scatty. Sheesh. Fire. Black. Oh, Civic boys. Sheesh. VTEC. VTEC Turbo. Oh shit, Hellcats boys. Mopar boys. Evo boys. Evo boys. Mopar boys. Oh, Mopar boys. Mopar boys. Mopar boys. Oh shit. NSX boys. Oh my god. Jeez. You know it. Mustang boys. Come on, rev it! Damn it, man. This is the one. Oh my god, look at that. Darth Vader. Sheesh. GT350 boys. See ya. Turbo boys. Turbo boys. Hit it. Hit it, hit it. B58 boys. See you back. The Supra. The Bupra's coming back. The Bupra. Bupra. Mopar boys. Come on, show me some. There you go. Can we get a supercharge? Hit it. Oh shit, hit it! Oh, turbo boys! Hit it. Hit it. There you go. There you go. See ya. See ya. Out there, my boys. Come on, hit it. Whoa. Danny boys. Whoa. Drifty boys. Alright, but anyways, man, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more car content, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see some just like, you know, regular daily lifestyle vlog like Casey Neistat, pretty much type vlogs, make sure you guys go to my second channel. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. And yeah, that's where I'm just gonna do my vlog and all that stuff. But here I'm gonna focus more on car content creating. So if you guys want to see like a different vlog or a lifestyle where I just like do whatever, like go to Costco, go to Walmart or something, like, you know, whatever it is, I got a pretty good humor. So go to the second channel, subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Sheesh. See ya.
So they want fuck with me. I just want to get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want. It's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G. I gotta double them C's. She wanna put it on me.